Welcome to the Purcellville Wastewater Treatment Plant. It processes water for more than 7,000 residents in this Loudoun County town. But it's protecting them in a new way by detecting COVID-19 virus remnants flushed down the toilet. It's the town's attempt to see how widespread the infection is before people know they are sick.
There is a series of calculations that they do to actually quantify the amount of cases in Purcellville based upon the amount of flow that the facility had that day.
It's called wastewater epidemiology. A local environmental science team takes a small sample. That sample represents the entire town's sewage for a day. The genetic markers of COVID-19, non-infectious at that point, pass from the body and remain in the water flushed down the toilet. It is run through testing at BioBot's Boston area lab, as seen in this video it provided. BioBot first developed its technology for another public health crisis.
Over the last 2 years, we've been measuring the concentration of about 30 different opioid and related drugs, including illicit opioids like heroin and fentanyl.
Mayor Kwasi Frazier decided he wanted an early warning system for Purcellville and brought in BioBot. The first round of testing May 13th estimated 50 cases in Purcellville. That estimate spiked to 320 cases 1 week later, but went down to 65 by the end of the month. That spike in cases was similar to a verified spike in new COVID-19 cases in Loudoun County, according to its health department. Estimates aren't yet available for June.
Now that we have this knowledge, we'll provide that information to the health department, and this would assist us in potentially getting more support, whether it be financial assistance, because now we see a number and a way to monitor it. They say what gets measured gets improved.
That would probably been the last place I would have thought of, that that's where they could kind of get more information about how it spreads.
High school history teacher Jason Lucas is glad to hear Purcellville's mayor is taking that extra step to protect residents.
Whatever they could do to get information, to be active, to feel like they're giving their constituents a belief that they're doing everything they can to know the most about this virus that they can. I think that's great.
BioBot says other cities in the D.C. metro area have signed up, but is keeping their customer list confidential.
So today we're in 400 communities. We imagine being able to test up to 75% of the U.S. population.
Sewage treatment used to be about purifying the water for reuse as quickly and efficiently as possible. But during the pandemic, sewage is providing a quick and efficient way for community leaders to track COVID-19 spread and hopefully its retreat. In Purcellville, Nathan Baca, WUSA 9.